this is Mrs. Nocella, and by the end of this video, you should be able to examine the sides of similar triangles and discover the sine, cosine, and tangent ratios. In this video in particular, we're actually going to be using our calculator to determine the value of the cosine of 54. So really just introducing you to how to enter this information into our calculator, which is going to be very important for future classes and future problems. So, in order to determine the cosine of 54, what we need to do first and foremost, step number 1, is to make sure your calculator is in degree mode. The reason we're using degree mode is because this says 54 degrees. There are other modes that you can use, such as radian mode, but for the purpose of our class, we will be using degree mode. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to click mode on your calculator, and then just change it and make sure that degrees is highlighted. If it's already highlighted, you are good to go. If it's not, just scroll over, hit enter, and then you can exit out of that screen. Next, all you have to do is now, in your calculator, go to your cosine button or your COS button, type in 54, and that should give you approximately 0.5878 if you are in degree mode. So that is how you enter a degree using your calculator for sine, cosine, or tangent. And the second part of this question is asking us, what does this value represent? So whenever we're typing in cosine of an angle, sine of an angle, or tangent of an angle, these represent something. So in this case, we're asking, what does cosine of 54 represent? This number is the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse of the right triangle. Again, this is specific just for the cosine of 54 since we're using cosine. Nice work!